Ciao, it's Marco from the Delivita family, and on this video I'm going to show you something quite special. We're going to go and cook skirt steak straight on the embers in the clay oven. So we're going to do dirty skirt. Let's go. So here we got a nice piece of skirt. This is a delicacy. Every cow has you get only 4 or 5 steaks out of every cow, basically. This will feed the whole family. Okay, so very good value. What we can do to help, we can go to make some incision, okay? And against the grain. Then in the other side as well. We're just gonna do olive oil. Okay, we want it well seasoned. With pepper. We're gonna leave it to soak in all this godness. So now we're gonna do something, quite special in the clay oven, okay? This is another way to cook the steak. You can obviously do it with a cast iron dish, but we can also do a dirty steak. So we're gonna cut this forgotten cut of meat dirty, straight on the embers of the fire in the clay oven. And then it's gonna be delicious. How we do that is we're gonna go and spread our embers to the center of the oven. The flame just died. The embers are beautiful and red, and this is ready. We want to get it in right away, okay? And off we go. Bam. What I love about this type of cooking is you have to be daring, you have to try. This is a very traditional way of cooking. This is how the ancient cooked, okay? Straight on the coal. The smells of it, it's just a pleasure to do this. Wow. 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 What happened now, don't panic, because the fat of the steak, because the steak is very rich, dripped on the coal and started the flame again. But don't panic, look, it's already gone off. You just spread it a little bit more as you want it, and you go into again. Okay, so this is ready. So our dirty steak is ready. Now we have to leave it rest and relax, okay? While we're waiting for our steak to rest, we're gonna go keep and utilize those embers, and we're gonna char some nice lettuce, okay? We do a little bit of olive oil with turmeric, pepper, salt. So here we made a little dressing for our lettuce, which is turmeric, olive oil, salt and pepper. A little bit, very nice. Now we put our gorgeous marinade on top of our charred lettuce. Now our meat has rested. Yeah, it's good. Oh, I know already. It's delicious. So tender. I just, I felt it. Look how gorgeous. Beautifully cooked. This is perfection. Look at this. The sear, the color inside, how easy it was to kind of get this perfect. Look how juicy. This is a piece of meat you can't find at the supermarket. This you only find them at the butchers. It's a special. And if you cook it dirty, it's even more special. There's so much flavor. You can just, as soon as you dig into it, it's different. It's just delicious. You really feel like you're eating something special when you eat this cut of meat, cut on the embers of your clay oven. Imagine you have this at home with your guests and doing all that show. How cool you're gonna look. You're gonna think, wow. So there you have it, my dirty skirt steak with dirty salad, and it's just so delicious. Amazing. It's perfect, and you can taste the, the earth, the coal. It's just, this is really awesome way of cooking. It's amazing.